So we are at AJ Hackett in Cairns, and Chelsea bought me a bungee jump for my birthday, which is very kind. Plus she also roped herself in to do a canyon swing, so she doesn't get out of it scot-free. Should be fun. 3, 2, 1, go.
We're at the Cairns Wake Park today. We're all going wakeboarding, and so we're super excited. It's going to be a bit of fun. It's beautiful weather today. Yesterday was absolutely raining, so it's nice that today is warm for it. And yeah, super keen. Half of us have never wakeboarded before, so it's going to be a bit of fun, and we'll see what happens. You excited?
Very excited. Yo, Chelsea.
You.
Leg straight. Good stuff. Alrighty, we are on our way to do a solar croc cruise on the Daintree River. Supposedly it's the only solar croc cruise you can do on the Daintree, and it's obviously solar, so that means it is silent and doesn't disturb the crocs. So hopefully it's good, should be fun. Hopefully we see some crocs, and yeah.
Massive snake.
So right there, right there.
Oh wow! That crocodile tour was a success. We saw a few crocodiles, and now we're taking the ferry across to the Daintree, which is awesome. Super excited to check out Cape Tribulation, and yeah, we'll show you around.
That we will.
Using the old paper map to get around because there's not really much phone reception around here. So we're just entering Cape Tribulation, and we're going to go to some waterholes today and see some lookouts. We're in Cape Tribulation over in the Daintree, and it is so nice. We said goodbye to our friends today.
Yeah.
We don't know when we're going to meet up with them again, but I'm sure it will be soon, no doubt. So it's just me and you now.
It's just us. Tomorrow we're doing the Mount Sorrow walk, so that's about 5 hours-ish return, and then yeah, we're just spending the night here at Cape Tribulation camping. So it should be a good night. We've got a beachfront spot, so it's pretty nice.
Dan's lighting the incense, and we are making a stir fry for dinner tonight. You can see the ocean from the bed. We're up bright and early this morning to go and do the Mount Sorrow walk. We're all dressed and ready. Got my long leggings on. It's going to be so hot, but I am so scared of leeches and snakes, so that's why I'm wearing them, but I'm sure I'll get hot. Dan's braving it with the shorts, so he's going to have leech legs, but yeah, we're looking forward to it. Spider web. Oh!
It's sweaty.
Oh, is that what they look like? Ew! Oh, yuck. Okay. Hey, what? You flick it. Not onto me. The Daintree is the largest rainforest in Australia and is absolutely amazing. The Daintree is World Heritage listed along with the Great Barrier Reef. This is the only place in the world where two World Heritage listed places are side by side. We booked a snorkeling tour with Ocean Safari to take us out to see the beautiful turquoise water and amazing sea life on the reef. As David Attenborough says, it seems to me that the natural world is the greatest source of excitement, the greatest source of visual beauty, the greatest source of intellectual interest. It is the greatest source of so much in life that makes life worth living.